In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Trello using the import power-up. If you've got tasks in a spreadsheet or another tool and want them in Trello quickly, this walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to bring them in. First, head to Trello and click on Boards to view your boards. Make sure you're on the board where you want the new cards to land because power-ups are added per board. Now look at the top of the board and click on Power-ups. This is where you enable extra features for your board. Click on Add Power-ups to open the directory, then click on the search bar. Type the word import. In the results, find import to Trello, click on Add, and when Trello asks for confirmation, click on Add again. Give it a moment and wait for it to load. You'll know it's ready when the button changes and the power-up appears in your enabled list. Next, click on Settings for the Import to Trello power-up. This opens the Importers panel. Click on Choose a file and select the file you want to bring in from your computer. Common choices are CSV or JSON exports. If your file is open in another program, save and close it before selecting to avoid errors. Once you see the importer screen, review the details and click on Check and Import. This step validates your file and shows you what's about to be created. If your data includes headers like title, description, or due date, make sure they're clear in your file so the importer can interpret them correctly. When you're satisfied, proceed and then wait for it. Import times depend on the size of your file and your connection, so keep the tab open and avoid navigating away until it finishes. When the import completes, your new cards will appear on the board. If something doesn't look right, you can undo or archive the imported cards and try again with an adjusted file. A few tips to keep things smooth. Remove blank rows before importing. Avoid merged cells in spreadsheets, and keep dates in a standard format like YYYMMDD. If you don't see the power-ups option, you may need permission from a workspace admin or a paid plan for certain features. That's it. You've enabled the import to Trello power-up and brought your data into